how do we do that? You have to jump up when you catch her, right? So you're dipping and you're popping her off, and you jump to pop her off, but then immediately when your feet touch the ground, you jump back up in the air to catch her as high as possible, so you have the greatest amount of time to slow her down. Immediately once you make connection, you don't wait until your feet touch the ground to start slowing down. Obviously, it's going to be a lot more effective when your feet are on the ground, but try to start slowing her down right when your hands touch her, and then that way it's going to be the softest landing possible. I'll just say the flyer's job in this case, I'm going to forget step 3. I'm going to say the flyer's point in each of these right after I say them. The flyer's job, please, God, come down straight body like this. Ooh, like a straw. Okay, I can't grab that. Like a straight straw, like this. Come down like this. Not like this, not like this. Come down at a little bit of an angle so your base has more of geometry to catch you with. Come down very tight and strong in your core and your whole body, so your body is not loose. It's really hard to catch something that's loose instead of catching something that's really tight and just one piece of body. It's a lot easier to do that. So when you're coming down, squeeze your body as tight as you can and be prepared for him to catch you. You don't catch yourself, okay? You allow your body to be what it is so he can catch you, and that's the best way it's going to work. Now, make sure, this is something I'm very mad about when flyers don't do this, is catch your base's wrists. Don't just touch it. Don't float it above his hands. Grab them and push against them so you help in the pop off. It's not just him, you just leaning back a little and then he tries to catch you and then it's hard and then you're like, oh, my knees hurt. And why? You did not try at all. You have to try. It's equal partnership and you have to try. You have to push against his wrists and really help him out, because if he doesn't have that push against his own wrist, then he can barely help you as much as he could. Right before I move on to the next one, I'll get right back to the guy. The guy needs to reach up, just like I said, and then when he's catching her, like absorb, coming down. I'm flexing, not trying to flex on you. I'm flexing because I'm imagining how much effort I would put into the catch. So I'm here, I'm absorbing down, and here, don't do this. Really? Why would you do that? No, don't ever do that. Don't let your arms, your wrists, your hands come below your chest when you're catching a person. Okay, don't let them come below your chest, because when they go below your chest, that means you're using all arms. Squat with it. Get low. Like that, squat. If you keep it above your chest, you will have a much easier time slowing her down. Doesn't matter how strong you are. Okay, your legs are obviously a lot stronger than your arms and shoulders and upper body. If you keep your hands above your chest, it's much like a front squat. You can just get low with it, keep your arms up there, and keep pushing until the very last split second that her feet are on the ground, and then you can release her. Some guys are like, they pop off from the stunt, and then they put her on the ground, and they realize, oh my god, I did barely caught her. Then they pick her up again as if it makes up for when they didn't catch her right. Like, are you serious? Just let her down and learn from the next time, Like, you don't have to pick her up again and just prove that you can pick her up. You already made her legs hurt. I mean, maybe she's a boss, but you already made her in pain as much as she is. Don't pick her up again. It's just pointless. Everyone knows what you're doing. Next is how to catch stunts when they're falling. You're not prepared for these stunts. So when you're going for these, just make sure that you're aware of what's happening. You're not scared to catch her, because if you're scared to catch her, you're not going to catch her right. And the more you stunt, the more you're going to learn how to catch properly. Now, just never get complacent with yourself. Always keep improving in this area, because if you don't keep improving, then you're always going to catch in the same way. One big thing I see, and I don't want you to do anymore, is bear hug. Bear hug hurts because there's no slowing down as opposed to the impact on the chest when you catch her. Bear hugging is very painful. What I would recommend you do, if it's possible, which most of the time it is, reach up, absorb her, and just kind of lean back a little bit, absorb her on the way down, and then set her out. But if you just wait for her and bear hug her, then it doesn't feel very good. So please just try to absorb it just like it's a regular pop-off. She might be a lot more angled, but you can absorb that. It's really easy. You just have to do it. So, but other than that, for the bases, you guys, the more you stunt, the more you figure out where a stunt is going to fall. I mean, a toss hand's probably the worst way that's going to fall is if the flyer hits you in the chest, you go flying backwards, and you can't do anything about it, and the spotter that's there, right, is going to catch it. So you get pushed out back, and then the spotter is in the front to catch her when she face plants. Or doesn't face plant because the spotter's there. Okay, and for the flyer, I have one big tip for you is I know you're falling. I know that you don't have a lot of control over what your body does because you're falling. The only thing I would say is to please watch your elbows. If you could do this, that'd be fantastic. But don't fall like, gah, and just, that hurts. So yeah, that's how you catch a flyer, and that's how flyers catch themselves. You know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out, guys. Yeah. Okay.